You wouldn't think that an original gasoline cap would be difficult to find, but go ahead and try and find one, an original one. That's the key, originality.
It's very hard for people to give up their bikes, to put them in a museum and not have them for a year. And especially these bikes here, because the time that you spend on a 100-point bike is probably twice that of a bike that was, say, 90 points or 85 points.
An antique motorcycle has to be considered an antique, has to be 35 years old. So at the time, this was more than well qualified. It's a 1948 Indian chief, one of the last Indian chiefs to come out of the original wigwam. I was driven to keep it as original as possible. When I first bought the bike, it wasn't running, and it had been rattle can painted black, and it was a mess. It was a total mess.
My name is Peg Miller, and I am co-owner of Metro Racing with my husband Don. This is my motorcycle. It's a 1967 Bultaco Matrala. Probably about 5 weeks ago, I had it out to a fire meeting, so I ride it. I think I took it to Ole, the antique meet in Ole, Pennsylvania, in 2002, and I was a little afraid. It was the first year that it was eligible to be judged. I mean, as you can see from the other spectacular bikes that are here, they're generally big Indians and big Harleys, and I rolled in with my little Bultaco, really afraid that they were not gonna like it. And I was lucky the first time out. I got 100 points, and then we went to Harmony, New Jersey, the second meet of the season, and I got 100 points the second time out. So I was so proud, and just to be asked to be here is just amazing.